The total surface area of a cylinder of radius 5 cm is 660 cm square. Find the height of the cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is 660 cm square. So you start with the formula for TSA of cylinder. 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Whichever data is given, you start with that formula. TSA value is 660 equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is given 5, height is not given. You keep h as it is. Plus 5. So this becomes your question of solving simple equation. You have variable h instead of x. You know how to transpose the numbers. Consider this as a bracket. Bracket of entire bracket as a variable. H plus 5 is your variable. So anything multiplied by variable will transpose to division. So 660 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 5, and here you are left with the bracket, that is h plus 5. Cancellation. 2 and 30, 5 and 6, 2 and 3. So you are left with 3 into 7, 21 equals to h plus 5. So height of cylinder is 16 unit centimeter.